Hi friends, today we are going to discuss the syllabus of artificial intelligence. Okay, this syllabus is mainly for the discussion of UGC NET and also those who are preparing for their university level exam. Syllabus of AI is almost same. Okay, the main aim of this video is to focus the main important topics in your subject, that is artificial intelligence. Okay, let's discuss the syllabus. Okay. First is approaches to artificial intelligence. Okay, this is a very broad topic, and this mainly involves problem solving. That is how state space. You have to know what is a state space, how you can represent a particular problem in a state space, and what are the different type of search strategies used in the state space. That is two type of searches are the informed and uninformed search. Okay, among that, heuristic search techniques. Heuristic search is the most important one, okay, that you cannot skip. And among this heuristic search, there are three type of, that is A star, AO star and BFS. Okay, these algorithms should be clearly studied. And hill climbing algorithm is also there, that should also be studied. Then next section is game playing. In game playing, there is two algorithms are there, that is min-max algorithm and alpha cutoff procedures. Then that should also be studied well. Okay, these are the main topics in the section. Mainly the questions are asked from this, that is this three algorithm. AO star is very important. Okay, that and you can surely get questions, that is graph related questions you may get, and in game playing too. Okay, and also one more topic is there, that is constraint satisfaction. Okay, constraint satisfaction is also there, that is using, you can also get question, you can using cryptanalysis. Okay, these three topics are the, okay, that is approaches to AI. This is very important, section that you can get, surely you can get questions. Okay, next second topic is our knowledge representation. Knowledge representation, how the computer process the knowledge, how the computer process the knowledge in artificial intelligence. Okay, several approaches are there. Several approaches for knowledge representation are there. That is, it includes semantic networks are there, frames are there, scripts are there. Among that, predicate logic is the most important one that should be focused well. Because Prolog, artificial intelligence uses programming languages such as Prolog, Lisp and all that. So Prolog, it uses predicate logic for representing the knowledge. So you want to know, you must know how to represent a particular knowledge using predicate logic. Okay, so you may surely get questions from this section for your competitive exams. Okay, and second part is reasoning, knowledge representation and reasoning. Okay, the reasoning is a very field of artificial intelligence. Okay, that is reasoning. You have to know what is reasoning, what are the different types of reasoning and all that, just theory related questions. Okay, this that is our second section. Third is planning. Just an overview, what is planning and what are the different types of planning. Okay, and among that, hierarchical planning and goal stack planning are the most important one that you cannot skip, and that should be clearly studied. Okay, that is hierarchical and goal stack planning. And fourth topic is natural language processing, in short NLP, that you might have studied as a subject in your graduation and all that, natural language processing. So in that, how the computer process the natural language. That is the level of language analysis, that is syntactic and semantic level of analysis. Okay, that is important in this section, natural language processing. Okay, next is multi-agent system. Multi-agent system, agents are the main important topic in artificial intelligence. Building agents is the most important topic. So several types of agents are there, and their models are there, and their properties are there. So types and properties should be clearly studied so that you can answer any questions related to agents. Okay. Next topic is fuzzy sets. Okay, fuzzy sets are the most important topic. That in this section you can surely get logic type of questions. That is fuzzy set. What is the difference between crisp set and fuzzy set, alpha cut, operations such as union, intersection, and all that. So this section you may get some difficult level of questions, but if you study the concept clearly, you can answer any type of questions, any type of logic questions from this section. Okay, this section should be well focused. Then last section is artificial neural network and genetic algorithm. Artificial neural network, what is the importance of neural network in artificial intelligence. There are several types of neural networks are there. Among that is single, multi-layer, feed-forward, and recurrent. Okay, this type of networks should be clearly studied. And the machine learning. Machine learning here, machine learning is the most important area in artificial intelligence. That is in this section we will focus on supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Okay, that is given in your syllabus. Okay, next is genetic algorithm. Genetic algorithm, just it is also another problem solving technique using heuristic search and all that. So only related questions may come from this section. Okay, so these are the topics in your syllabus. These are your topics in your syllabus, and the standard text that almost all the universities are following as is Rich and Knight. Okay, Rich and Knight. This is the standard text for artificial intelligence. Okay, although this language is typically difficult, and because it is not an Indian author, but I will make you all the concept clear in a simple way. I will try to make all the concepts in a simple way that you can understand better. Okay, thank you.